bumblebee.
La 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 la.
Oh, Dubop, did you call me?
Doobie, 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 Doobie. Come and sit down here.
Oh, what are all these?
I set up the table for you. Honey, tea, and toast with honey.
Wow!
Ta-da!
Whoa, really? Thank you!
No problem. For you, the world.
What's going on here? Firstly, when Dubop is extremely kind to me, he's hiding something.
Wow, you are so good.
Secondly, when he giggles like that, he's really excited about something.
You are one of a kind.
And thirdly, Dubop, what's going on?
Well, I brought something to live with us.
To live with us? Ugh, you're kidding! Tell me, what is it? A dinosaur? A crocodile?
No, it's not that weird. It's really quite simple.
Oh, is that so? And thirdly, if he says it is something really simple, then it is not. How big is it, Dubop? Is it huge, like an elephant? Or a giraffe?
No, it's very small and even cute.
Is it? Small and cute?
Yes, can we keep it? Please, can we live together?
Are you sure that it's not that big and scary?
Of course, it's not.
Okay then, I guess we can keep it.
Yahoo, Doobie! You're the best! Thank you!
So, where is your small and cute friend?
Right in front of you!
In front of me? Huh? Where?
Look at the flower!
The flower? It's a bee! A bee!
Let me introduce our new friend, Baby Bumblebee! Yeah!
No, Dubop! No, you can't! Take it away! Oh, take it away!
Why? I want to keep it!
No, you can't! No!
Yes, I can! Yes!
No!
Yes!
No!
Yes!
No!
Yes!
No!
Yes, I
Take
can!
it away! No!
Kids English School.
Kidstalk